Hello students, I am Charu Gupta. Today I am going to start your chapter 3rd, How Many Square, from Mathematics class 5th. In this video, I will start with overview about perimeter and area. So now the competencies of this chapter are: number first, knowledge, understanding, drawing skill and problem solving ability. Means after study this chapter, you contain knowledge, understanding, you can develop your understanding, you can develop your drawing skill and you can develop your problem solving ability. Now the target learning outcomes of this chapter, or as after finishing this chapter what will you learn are as follows. You can understand the concept of area and perimeter, and you can measure area of regular and irregular shapes using 1 centimeter square paper, means graph paper. Number next, you can derive formula for finding the perimeter and area of given figure and express its units. Number next and last, you can solve simple problem related to the measurement of area and perimeter in real life. So now let's take some topics of this chapter. So first topic of this chapter is what is perimeter. Perimeter means measuring around a figure. Measuring around a figure. Remember, we can find the perimeter of a closed figure only. So student, remember I have told you the closed figure and open figure in previous chapter, shape and angles. Now let's take an example. Look at the figure I have drawn. If we start from A, move along AB, then BC, then CA, we reach back the starting point A. Only in the closed figure it is possible. So the perimeter of this closed figure will be equals to AB plus BC plus CA. So it will, AB means 3 centimeter, BC means 5 centimeter and CA means 4 centimeter. 3, 5 plus 4 equals to 12 centimeter. So according to this procedure, we can find the perimeter of all different shapes. Like perimeter of triangle is sum of all sides. You can see this is a triangle. So perimeter of this triangle is this pillars, this, sum of side, yeah, or we can say this 3 into side. Okay, 3 into side. Now perimeter of squares. Perimeter of a square, you can see this is a perimeter and all side of this square is equal. This is a square and we know that the all side of a square are equal. So the perimeter of a square is sum of all sides, or we can say 4 into side. Now the perimeter of a rectangle, this is a rectangle. Here these two are length and two are breadth. So the perimeter of rectangle is sum of all sides, or we can say L plus L means length plus length plus breadth plus breadth. L plus L plus B plus B. L plus L 2L, B plus B 2B, 2L plus 2B 2 common and L plus B. So perimeter of rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Now the next topic is what is area. So area is the amount of surface a figure covers. Area is the amount of surface. Area is the amount of a surface a figure covers. Area is measured in square units. Okay. Remember, we can find the area of a closed figure only. Okay. Now, next is units of area. When we find out the area and then we represent the unit of area into square. So area can be expressed in square units such as centimeter into centimeter equals to square centimeters, meter into meter equals to square meters, kilometer into kilometer equals to square kilometer. Okay. Now the next topic of this chapter is methods to find the area. Basically, there are two methods of finding the area. First one is by dividing a region into unit, square, and thereafter counting the unit squares. And number second is by using formula. Now, if we are finding the area by the first method, then finding the area of plane figure by counting the unit square means first method. We have to remember 2 points. One is we ignore or do not count the squares that are less than half. Okay. And number second, if a square is more than half, we count the area as 1 square unit. Okay. Now there are some formulas. Number first is area of rectangle. So the area of rectangle is L into B, means length into breadth. And the area of square is side into side, or we can say A means area equals to S into S. S stands for side. Okay. So it's all about the overview of chapter 3rd. Thank you.